Hi everybody, welcome to life number 6. My name is Ruben and today I'm gonna take you to the beautiful Trang An Complex in the region of Ninh Binh, Vietnam. As we explored in the previous video the wonderful city of Hoi An,
what on earth did we stumble upon?
it was mandatory to pop in this famous boat ride through the caves,
1,000-meter long, bro.
temples and outstanding nature of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. If you're curious about how it looks like, how to do it, and if it's worth it, this video is for you.
Morning sunshines. Today we're gonna head to the Trang An Complex, and if you are in this area, Ninh Binh, one of the most popular activities to do and one of the best preferred methods of transportation is a bike. Our homestay is giving us the bike so we can fully immerse on this experience. So let's enjoy it. Such a cute place. Well, this is definitely the entrance. So, I believe there are 4 tours that you can do. 3 of them last for 3 hours approximately, and one of them is for an hour and a half. It is a little hard to choose because everyone has a different option. The first one has 9 caves and 3 temples, which is a lot of caves. We have decided to do the third one, which is the most harmonious one. All right. It's around 10 o'clock and we have decided to pop earlier than what the peak time is, because this gets apparently ridiculously crowded. Hopefully like that we can get to experience this in a little bit more quiet way. To get the boats to make the tour, it costs 250,000 Vietnamese dongs, which is basically $10, and they divide the groups in boats of 4 people. So we are 2. I guess we just need to find another 2 people to make this lovely boat ride with. It is zero harmonious so far.
Welcome to our boat.
Here we go. Let's help paddling a little bit.
Oh, cheeky. Oh, wait. Push. It's so cute.
It's very quiet when we are here, regardless of the amount of people that you get on the entrance. It feels very peaceful in this part. It's so gorgeous. Well, our lovely guide has dropped us on the first temple. This is Dinh Sieng Temple, I think it is. So that's the cave that we're gonna go after. This is the longest one on the complex. It's 1,000-meter long, bro. Oh, this is so cool. Dude, look at that. It's so cool. Fascinating how nature makes this entire system over 1,000 meters, and it maintains itself with the water level so spot on. for the boat to just pop in. And you can generally tell that it's been properly maintained here with the lights and everything. I'm dying. Help. Help. 1,000 meters is a lot of meters. Huh?
Now I'm getting into the cave thing. Now I get it.
So cool. Like, what is this? Like, it look like bells, you know? Like, look at this, bro. Dude, we can see a clearance at the end finally. I don't know what to do in 9 caves. Now you know. Yay.
Oh, so cold. Oh, super chilly. Wow. I'm freezing.
Because the cave was keeping the heat all for itself. Oh, wow. I think we're very lucky that we're actually the first ones on the boat. Because it's so peaceful to see nothing in front of you instead of 50 boats. Ah, so glorious.
You are excellent. Oh,
So good.
wow.
I really get the comparisons that people say about this looking like Halong Bay, but in the middle of a river instead of on the full bay by the shore. This is so pretty. 400-meter cave. Ah, this is actually so nice to stretch a little bit the legs. My ass starts to feel like a carpet. We have 10 minutes to stop to head to another one of the temples. And now we're gonna be polite and we're gonna switch with the other couple. So they also get a little bit of a peek of the front views. What a leaf extravaganza. This is gorgeous. A cute little row in there. I'm a princess. I wanna paddle. Oh, that's this the name? Ling. She's so good. We might be reaching the last part of our destination. Look at this little temple in the middle of the water. I gotta say that everything that is in here, nature-wise, is actually tremendous. Like, you have cave systems all around the park. Yeah, temples very nicely located on the little islands. The mountains are massive. The river is beautiful. Just check away the tourism. This is awesome. Like, everything is so harmonious. This is so beautiful. It's getting crowded. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie of King Kong, but this is apparently the location that it was filmed. Oh, that was it. Conclusions?
Beautiful. Absolutely worth it.
Yeah.
Do this. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Bye bye. Well, a lot of tourist buses arriving. Feel like we've been doing really good with popping an hour before everybody else does. But I think that now it's time to get the bikes to grab some food. Yum, 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 yum.